Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Santander Bank app, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Santander Bank app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the home screen, look for the login button and tap it. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typing errors. Next, enter your password in the password field. For security, ensure that your password is kept confidential. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. Once your username and password are entered, tap the Login button. Wait a moment for the app to process your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of incorrect details, you will receive an error message. Check that your username and password are accurate before retrying. If you experience persistent issues, consider using the app's help section. For enhanced security, enable biometric login if available. This feature allows for quicker access in the future. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the app's features. Your account information is now securely accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.